tired of sharing your blog post to different social media platforms whenever it is posted? Then I have a solution for you. So here you can see that I have created a blog post in my WordPress account, and as soon as I'm going to publish this post, then automatically after publishing the post on my WordPress, an automatic post will be shared about the same on my Facebook page. I'm going to refresh it for now. And here you can see we have successfully created a new post on our Facebook page where you can see it says exciting update. We have just dropped a new post, how to boost productivity with simple automation hacks. Dive in and share your feedback. And here you can see the link of that particular blog. So this is the entire blog posted. So now are you ready to build this magical automation for your own blogs as well? Then you need to simply connect your WordPress account with your Facebook account or any other social media platform by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply click on sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps went away. You can see all the applications of Pabbly. So from there, you need to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will direct you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner, and then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is New Beta and the another one is Classic. So Beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas Classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow. Automatically share WordPress post on Facebook page. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. And here you can see we have successfully created a new workflow. So let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I'm going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm posting my new blogs on WordPress. So I'm going to select my trigger application as WordPress and my app event as new post published. Then we are going to click on this connect, and here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my WordPress account with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my WordPress account. So this is my WordPress account, and here I've already installed a plugin that is WP Webhooks. So here in order to install the plugin, you need to select plugins option in your WordPress account, and from here you need to select add plugin. Now here in this plugin window, you need to search for a plugin that is WP Webhooks, and then you need to install that particular plugin in your WordPress account. And once you're going to install the plugin, then automatically you are going to receive the option of WP Webhooks in your settings. So here I've already installed that plugin, so I'm directly going to access it. And now here in this WP Webhooks, you can see the option of send data over here. So we are going to select that. And here under send data, we are going to select our trigger as post created, because I want to set up a webhook for post created. And now here after selecting the trigger, we are going to add a new webhook for the same. So we're going to click on this add webhook URL, and here for the webhook name, I'm going to give the name as new post. And then here for the webhook URL field, I'm going to add the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here after entering the webhook URL, I'm going to click on this add for post create. And here you can see we have successfully added a webhook with the name new post. So now after adding the webhook, we are going to click on the three dots, and from here you need to select settings. Now here under the settings, you need to select the trigger for the selected post types and on initial post status change. So I'm going to select post over here, here, and here in the second option I'm going to select publish, so that whenever a new post is published on my WordPress account, then automatically I'm going to receive a response on this webhook URL. That means in my Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so now here after selecting the settings, I'm going to click on the save settings option given over here, and it says settings saved. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our WordPress account, and we have successfully connected our WordPress account with Pabbly Connect. So now here after building the connection, let's test this connection by simply creating a new blog post in our WordPress account. So for that, I'm going to click on this add post. And now here I'm going to add the title and the description for the blog. So let me add it. So here I've successfully added the title and the description. And now here after adding the required details, I'm going to click on this publish button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully published a new post on our WordPress account. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received response over here, where we have received some information such as the permalink. That means this is a link of our WordPress blog. And here you can see some other details such as the title. Here you can see the status, and also you can see some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new post published from our WordPress, then automatically I want to share about the new blog posted on my Facebook account as well. So for that, I'm going to add action step over here. And here I'm going to select my action application as Facebook pages and my app event as create page post. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook pages account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook pages. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this continue. And we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for the account credentials first. And after adding the account credentials, automatically your account will get connected inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward, and then he's asking me to select the page first. So here I've already shown you a random page that I've taken on my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select that particular page over here. And then here for the message, I'm going to write the message that I want to post on my Facebook on every new blog posted on my WordPress account. So let me add it. So here I've successfully added a message that says exciting update. We have just dropped a new post. Here I'm going to add the title, dive in and share your feedback. So now here instead of entering the title manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in the trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when we're going to create a new post on our WordPress account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the new post title, I'm going to map the title received. So this is the title. And now with this, we have successfully completed the message. Then it is asking for the link URL. So here I'm going to map the WordPress blog link that we have received. So let me search for the URL. So this is the URL. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new page post on our Facebook page about the new blog published on our WordPress account. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new post over here on our Facebook page with the same text and a link of our WordPress blog. Let me open it for you, and here you can see the entire blog posted by me on my WordPress account. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. So I've selected my social media platform as Facebook pages, but you can connect your other social media platforms as well, such as Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Alright, so now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if you've selected a trigger as WordPress and our action as Facebook pages, so that when you're going to publish a new post on our WordPress account, then automatically a new post for the same will be shared on our Facebook page as well. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automatically share WordPress post on Facebook page. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. And I would be really happy if you let us know that what automation would you like to see the next. Alright, see you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.